Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 Audi Q5 Premium Plus. This one's silver. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 211 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch alloy wheels. Brown leather interior, the dark wood trim, panorama sunroof. Q5 2-liter turbo quattro badging, power liftgate, roof rack, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, keyless entry, memory seats, power windows, power seats, steering wheel controls, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera sensors, multimedia package, dual climate controls, heated seats, automatic transmission, hard keys for the media display. This Q5 has 112,350 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Audi Q5, visit us at feldmannimports.com.